baby. You want to sing the new song we learned today? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Whee! Here's Emily, 3 months old. Oh, it's squirming. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Hi. Hi, baby. Show your hand. Say hi, baby. Look at your cute hair. Hi. Are you gonna laugh or are you gonna smile for Mom? Can you smile? There it is. Aww. There's your beautiful smile. Yeah. And how much did you weigh today at the doctor's? 13 pounds and 5 ounces? Yeah. Aw, I love you. You're so cute. You're so cute, aren't you? Aren't you a beautiful little girl? You Mommy's little baby girl? You Mama's baby little girl? Oop, is this your nose? Aww. Happy baby Emily. Aww. You want to say goodbye? Wow, look at you. You actually lifted up your hand like you were waving goodbye. Do it again. You want to say goodbye? Wow. Try it again. You want to say goodbye? Bye, Emily. Bye. Oh, not on the third time. Where's that sock going? Where's your sock going? Okay, then we're going for the Tootsie shot. Look at your little toes. Oh, look at your little toes. Are these your little toes?